process is if you just set this equal to x, because that's what it is that we're trying to evaluate, right? What the whole value is. And then just put it into its exponential form. So 27 to the power of x is equal to 3. So what would you have to do? What would x have to be in order for 27 to some power equal to 3? How do you convert 27 to 3 with a power? You take the cube root of it, right? So the cube root is what rational power? The cube root is 1/3. Okay. So do you remember talking about the rational powers? Okay. Another way that you can approach this, if this doesn't make sense, if you're not able to kind of connect it in that form, is what exponential form can we rewrite 27? 27 is 3 to, with a base 3. 3 to the what power? 27 is 3 cubed, right? So if you look at this as, in this case, 3 cubed to the x is equal to 3. Well, 3 by itself is what power? 3 to the first. So if you look at this, power to a power you multiply. So 3 to the 3x is equal to 3 to the first. And so in order for these to be equal, all you need to do is look at the powers. So 3x, this power, needs to equal 1. So to solve for x, divide both sides by 3, and you get your value. X is 1/3. Okay, so try one more time, or one more type of problem like this. Let me write it up. What is the value of a? Log base 6 of 216 is? Okay, so log 6 of 216 is, again, if we think 6 to what power is equal to 216? Okay, if you think of 216 as 6 to the third, what does x have to be? 3. Okay, so log base 1/3 of 9 is equal to x. Again, if we take 1/3 to the power of x is equal to 9. Okay, and if we wanted to solve for x here, hey, 9, if we think of 9 in terms of 1/3, okay, so what would it take to move the 3 up to the numerator? A power of -1. So we have a negative, and then what's going to turn the 3 into a 9? 2. So a -2 is our power here, so what does x have to be? There's our answer, -2. And then finally, for this third example, 5 to the power of x is equal to 1, and anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So that's how you would convert those, again, by hand. Right? Right, there's 2 last things to talk about just in general regarding logs, and that is the logs that are written with